Good afternoon, everyone. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Like every day, today as well, I'll be giving you something new. Last time we discussed about one of the modals, that was can. Today, I'll be having a new one, that is use of could. Could basically, it is the past form of can. ये can की past form होती है. Now we will discuss about the first use of could, that is 50% possibility. That means इसका मतलब होता है काम हो भी सकता है काम हो भी सकता है नहीं भी. So, my dear students, here comes the first use of could, that is 50% possibility. That means काम हो भी सकता है नहीं भी. Now I'll be making you understand by having some examples. Please keep looking. I could. I could come to school. I could come to school tomorrow. As I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. He could get through. He could get through this exam. As he is not fully prepared. He could get through this exam as he is fully prepared. As he is not. He could get through this exam as he is not fully prepared for this. Now here I make you understand. अब मैं यहाँ पर आपको समझाता हूँ 50% पॉसिबिलिटी का मतलब क्या होता है. काम हम कर भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी. Let's talk about the first sentence. I could come to school tomorrow. मैं कल स्कूल आ भी सकता हूँ नहीं भी. As I am not feeling well, क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत खराब है. This is the reason. तो मेरे आने के चांसेस स्कूल में 50% है. मैं स्कूल आ भी सकता हूँ नहीं भी. तो जहाँ 50% चांसेस होते हैं, where 50% chances of doing something, then we will have to use one of the modals, that is could. तो हमें could use करना होता है. I could come to school tomorrow. मैं कल स्कूल आ भी सकता हूँ नहीं भी क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत खराब है. Now next, he could get through this exam. ही इस एग्जाम को पास कर भी सकता है नहीं भी क्योंकि ही इज नॉट फुली प्रिपेयर्ड. वो पूरी तरीके से प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है फॉर दिस, इसके लिए. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट अस हैव सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. He could meet. He could meet his friends today. His friends. F-R. He could meet his friends today. As he is out of station. Out of station. Now next, he could win. He could win this race. He could win this race. So please just have a look once again. He could meet his friends. वो अपने दोस्तों से मिल भी सकता है, नहीं भी आज, क्योंकि वो क्या है, स्टेशन से बाहर है. He could win this race. वो इस रेस को जीत भी सकता है, नहीं भी. So my dear students, this was the first use of could. I hope you must have understood. Let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. Now here comes the second use, making request. Making request. Example. Could I come in, please? Could I come in, please? Could you please help me? Could you please? Could you please fetch me a notebook? Could you please fetch me? Could you please fetch me a notebook from market? Could I have your pen, please? Could I have? Could I have your pen, please? So my dear students, here are some sentences showing request by using could. Right? It is the second use of could, making request. जब आप request करते हैं, so in this case you people can use कुड, आप कुड का यूज कर सकते हैं। कुड आई कम इन प्लीज, क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ प्लीज। कुड यू प्लीज हेल्प मी, क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं। कुड यू प्लीज फेच मी अ नोटबुक फ्रॉम मार्केट, क्या आप मुझे मार्केट से एक नोटबुक ला के दे सकते हैं। कुड आई हैव यू पेन प्लीज, क्या मैं आपका पेन ले सकता हूँ। सो माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, sentences that I have noted down at the board is showing request. Showing request. So when you people plead, when you people request to somebody, so you have got to use could. I hope you understand. Now let us move ahead. Now here comes the third use. Third use of could, that is capacity and ability. Capacity and ability in past. Capacity and ability in past. सो प्लीज जस्ट हैव अ लुक। देखिए कुड का जो हमारा थर्ड यूज होता है जब हम पास्ट में कैपेसिटी और एबिलिटी की बात करते हैं। जब हम पास्ट में कैपेसिटी और एबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, जैसे कि मैं वो काम कर पाया, वो काम कर सका, मेरे अंदर वो काबिलियत थी, राइट, मेरे अंदर वो पोटेंशियल, वो कैपेसिटी, वो एबिलिटी थी कि मैं वो काम कर पाया पास्ट में। तो बेटा देखिए, ही could read Ramayana, Ramayana. He could read Ramayana when he was He could read Ramayana when he was 10 years old. When he was 10 years old. He could play cricket when he was in 5th standard. So my dear students, here I have two examples for making you understand ability and capacity in past. He रामायण पढ़ पाया, पढ़ सका जब वो 10 साल का था। He could play cricket, वो क्रिकेट खेल पाया, उसके अंदर वो काबिलियत थी, वो पोटेंशियल था when he was in 5th standard. So my dear students, enough for the day. Thank you very much.